You can add music to your Instagram story in two different ways: using the official music sticker and by playing music on a third-party app. Use the clickable sections below to skip to each method. Open Instagram and tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and then Story from the pop-up below. Record your video, then tap the sticker icon here. On the pop-up screen, tap the sticker labelled Music. You can also type music in the search bar to pull it up. Now you'll be able to browse and select the song you want to play with your story. The music sticker isn't available in all countries, and you may not have it if your app is out of date. Instead, open a music streaming app such as Spotify or Apple Music, and begin playing the song you want to use. With the song playing, go back to Instagram and record your story. The music playing on your phone will be integrated. Bear in mind that you won't be able to add a dynamic album cover or live lyrics with this method. If you add music this way, Instagram will check your story for copyright infringement, and if detected, will remove the sound from your video.